Ford has officially announced its financial and technical support to the M Sport Ford World Rally team for the 2018 season. Following an earlier report on the matter, Ford officially returns to WRC through M Sport after withdrawing its factory team back in 2012. Having Ford's official backing helped M Sport keep Sébastien Ogier in its ranks, who won the 2017 Drivers' Championship with the second driver to be Elfyn Evans. Ford's 20-year relationship with M Sport has delivered unparalleled success at all levels of rallying, something we're very proud of, and has also established Fiesta as the standard for rally competitors around the globe, said Mark Rushbrook, Ford's global director of motorsport. Last year we supported M Sport with the development of the all-new Fiesta that went on to campaign to win a championship win. For 2018 we're excited to be able to provide even greater support. We've enjoyed a fantastic relationship with Ford over the years, and it's great to see that support increase as we look to defend our FIA World Rally Championship titles in 2018, said Malcolm Wilson, OBE M Sport Managing Director.